Hello dear student friends, I am Dr. Nitin Rao, Arvind Babu Deshmukh Mahavidyalaya Bharsinghi. Today we will discuss on human circulatory system. Basically, circulatory patterns are of two types, open or closed. Open circulatory system is present in arthropod and mollusk, in which the blood pumped by the heart passes through the large vessels into open spaces or body cavities called as sinuses. Annelids and chordates have closed circulatory system in which blood pumped by the heart is always circulated through closed network of the blood vessels. Then, human and other vertebrates have closed circulatory system. This means that circulating fluid is pumped through the vessels. This system of the heart, series of the blood vessels and the blood that flows through the vessels. All vertebrate possess muscular chamber of heart. Fishes have two chambers of the heart with atrium and ventricle. Amphibians have three chambers of the heart with the two atria and single ventricle, whereas bird and mammals having four chamber heart with the two atria and two ventricles. Then in amphibians and reptiles, the left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the gills, lungs, skin, and right atrium gets the deoxygenated blood from other body part. However, they get mixed up with single ventricle which pump out mixed blood. Then here we have focus on the human circulatory system. Human circulatory system, also called blood vascular system, consists of muscular chamber heart, a network of close branching of the blood vessels, and the blood fluid which is circulated. The heart mesodermally derived origin, situated in the thoracic cavity in between the two lungs, slightly tilted to the left. Then our heart has a four chamber, two relatively smaller upper chamber called as the atria and two larger lower chamber called as a ventricle. Whereas the thick wall, the inner ventricular septum, separated the left and right ventricle. The atrium and the ventricle of the same side are also separated by the thick fibrous tissue called as a atriovascular septum. In this diagram, here the heart is situated in between the two lungs and with the four chamber, two atria and two ventricles. Then in the wall of heart, two layers of the tissue form a sandwich around the thick layer of muscle called as a myocardium. Contraction of the myocardium pump blood through the circulatory system. The heart contracted about 72 times per minute and pump about 70 ml of the blood in each contraction. That point is considered within the cardiac cycle. How does the heart function? To begin with, all four chambers of the heart are in relaxed state. They are in the joint diastole. As the tricuspid and bicuspid valves are open, blood from the pulmonary veins and vena cava flow into the left and the right ventricle respectively through the left and right atria. The sequential event in the heart, which is cylindrically repeated the cardiac cycle, and it consists of systole and diastole at both the atria. Then, as mentioned earlier, the heart beat 72 times per minute. During cardiac cycle, each ventricle pump out approximately 70 ml of the blood with each contraction. Right and left side of the heart are separated by septum or wall. The septum prevents the mixing of oxygen rich and oxygen poor blood. That we considered it as oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. In this diagrammatic representation, we have seen that there is given the two color blue and red. The blue color related with the deoxygenated blood and red color related with the oxygenated blood. Here in this diagram there is given the left portion, that is left atrium and left ventricle, related with the oxygenated blood, and right atrium and right ventricle related with the deoxygenated blood. The heart on each side of the septum are two chambers. Upper chamber receive the blood is the atrium, and then after the lower chamber pump the blood out of the heart is the ventricular chamber. The heart has a total 4 chambers, that is 2 atrium and 2 ventricles. Then how the pathway of the blood, how the transportation of the blood takes place? Deoxygenated blood passes from the right atrium and right ventricle and then goes to the lung. From the lung, blood moves back toward the heart into the left atrium to the left ventricle and then passes into the aorta to go to the rest of the body. The entire heart is made up of cardiac muscle, and how the pathway of the blood takes place over there, for that purpose there is a requirement of the specific node. That node we call it as a sinoauricular node. The sinoauricular node present at the right upper corner of the right atrium, and another mass of this tissue is seen in the lower left corner of the right atrium close to the atrioventricular septum called as the atrioventricular node, that is EV node. Then after bundle of fiber, Purkinje fiber we call it as, continue from atrioventricular node which passes through the atrioventricular septum to emerge at the top of the interventricular septum and immediately divided into the right left ventricle. These branches gives rise to the minute fiber throughout the ventricular muscular of the respective sides called as a Purkinje fiber, and with the help of that portion the formation of that auto-excitable current over there, that is related with the contraction of the blood, contraction of the heart. Then how many valves are present over there? As the heart contracts, blood flows into the ventricle, and then out of the ventricle, flap of the connective tissue called as the valves are located between the atria and ventricle. Blood moving keeps to the valves. When the ventricle contract, the valves close to prevent the blood from flowing back into the atria. मतलब जो रिदम है वो कैसा होगा, एट्रिया से ब्लड निकलेगा वेंट्रिकल में और वेंट्रिकल से ब्लड आएगा बाहर, और इसके लिए नोड कौन कौन से रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, साइनोऑरिकुलर नोड एंड ऑरिकुलो वेंट्रिकुलर नोड. Then how the heartbeat formation takes place over there? Heart muscle are composed of individual fiber that we already discussed. Each atrium and ventricle contract as a unit. Each contraction begins with group of cardiac muscle in the right atrium and known as sinoauricular node. And because of the sinoauricular node paces the heart, it is known as a pacemaker. Impulse spread from the pacemaker to the rest of the atria, and from the atria signal is sent to the atrioventricular node, and then bundle of fiber is in the ventricle. When the ventricle contract, blood flow out, blood बाहर निकलेगा. Blood vessels के types कितने होते हैं? Basically in this diagram there is given with two color, one is blue, another one is red. As the blood through the circulatory system it moves through three types of blood vessels: arteries, capillaries and veins. Arteries are the large vessel, carry oxygenated blood, and capillaries are the smaller blood vessels. Walls are only one cell thick and very narrow, important for bringing nutrient and oxygen to the tissue, absorbing CO2 and other waste product. And veins carry the deoxygenated blood. How the blood pressure formation takes place over there? The heart produces pressure, force of the blood on the wall of the arteries. It is known as a blood pressure. So thank you very much. Further discussion related with the disorder of the circulatory system, then cardiogram, that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you very much.